Hi students, welcome to Neet Success Tips YouTube channel. In this Neet Success Tips YouTube channel, I have uploaded earlier first year videos, biology, physics, chemistry, and today uploading, I am telling biology second year video, some important questions using easy tips and memory techniques that is called coding techniques. I am Lainipa Srinivas, teacher, Lions Club leader. I explained total easy tips and techniques. If you don't watch earlier videos, please watch that. If you like that, please like our videos and subscribe to get latest uploading videos, daily uploading videos, and please share it to your friends and relatives if you like, and click the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Now coming to the main point. Today I am telling biology second year questions. We'll move that. The first question is match the following given birds, fish, amphibians. Amphibians means that can live both in land both on land in water also. Crocodiles with their number of heart chambers. Humans contain four heart chambers. Like that, birds, fish, amphibians, crocodiles contain how many heart chambers? So that you have to match. Amphibians, reptiles, two chambers or four or one or three. Fish, crocodiles, birds. Come on fast, choose the correct answer. So what is the correct answer? C. One is C. C is the answer. So amphibians, reptiles. A4 has three chambers. Next fish, B1, two chambers. Crocodiles, C2, four chambers, like human beings. Birds, D2, same, four chambers. Okay? Amphibians and reptiles has three chambers. Here, the keywords is amp, imp, important. I am telling important questions. So amp is three letters, three chambers. Here reptiles, rep, separate word, tiles, separate word. So rep is three words. So three chambers. Like that you can remember. Next fish. B1, two chambers. Fish. Fish. So you can spell into parts. Fish. So if it is two, it is two. Two chambers. So if you divide off one chamber, two chambers. Like that. Crocodiles. Birds. So and also mammals. Mammals, crocodiles, birds. These continuous letters B, C, and human beings, humans, H. BCH, BCH. Like that you can remember human beings are mammals. BCM, MBC. So MPC is a one group by PC, MPC. So mammals, MBC here. MBC have four chambers. Like that you can remember. P reverse, you take P down. So it looks like B. So MPC. So M means mammals. Mammals have four chambers. Like that birds, crocodiles also four chambers. Like that you can remember. Next second question. Strobilanthus kuntiana flower. Also called what? Neela Kuranji. Neela Kuranji. Strobilanthus kuntiana. Neela Kuranji plant. This is a plant. Flowering once in dash years. Strobilanthus kuntiana, Neela Kuranji, and their name. Plant flowering once in how many years? Answer B, 12 years. See here, Neela Kuranji, how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Neela Kuranji have 12 letters. So this plant flowering once in 12 years. Otherwise, if they not given, they will not give Neela Kuranji. You take this Strobilanthus. Total 13 letters. 4, 4, 4, 12, 13. S is starting and ending. So one S I am deleting. So Strobilantha. So 12 letters. So 12 years. Because S I am deleting. Starting I am taking. Okay. Like that you can remember. Kuntiyana. K-U-T. Cut. I am cutting one last S. So it contains 12 letters. So in 12 years, once in 12 years, that plant will flowering. Next, which of the following seed germinated and flowered after an estimated record of 1000 years? Estimated record of 10,000 years. Which of the following seed germinated and flowered after an estimated record of 10,000 years? Some dormancy seeds, because of the weather conditions are good, then it flowered, it grew and germinated. So, what is the answer? Lupin, date palm, phoenix, dactyly, fera, xanthium. These are belongs to the dormancy flowering plants. Seeds. Answer is lupin. So you take like this. Lupin is the answer. Here L is like 1. Next UPIN 4 zeros. E means ears. The pronunciation like this. Starting letter is Y, but pronunciation is ES. E. So 10000 10,000 years. Like that you can remember. lupin. Match the following words with their meanings. Dithecus, genosium, androsium, genosium, androsium, anther. Dithecus, genosium, androsium, anther. So we have to match ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on first. So what is the answer? Correct answer. Match ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is D. A1. A1, B3, A2. Answer is C. Answer is C. A2. So Dithecus. Angiosperm anther is bilobed with each lobe having two theca. So Ditheca. Here I am taking bi. So bilobed. Bi means biannual, like that. Bicycle having two wheels. So two. Di means I am taking bi. Bi means two. Bilobed with each lobe having two theca. Dithecus is angiosperm is bilobed with each lobe having two theca is called dithecus. So di means I am taking bi. Bi means two, like that. Genosium. In genosium B 4. It represents female reproductive organ. Genosium means it represents female reproductive organ. So here I am taking gen means gin. Gin is a some alcoholic material, gin. So foreign females drink gin, wine, gin, like that. The males will drink whiskey, like that. So gin, like that, female, foreign females mostly taking wine gin. So like that gin, female reproductive organ. Automatically androecium is male reproductive organ. C3, it consists of four lobes stamen and represents male reproductive organ. Like that you can remember. Anther D1. So there is a two parts of typical stamen in the flower. There is a two parts of typical stamen in the flower. The two parts is what? One is the long and slender stalk like called filament. The long and slender stalk called filament. The terminal of the generally bilobed structure called anther. Okay, the filament terminal having bilobed structure, that is called anther. So here ant is related to biology, bilobed biology. Some ants will come on our bed if made some items, sweet items on the bed, the ants will come to the bed bilobed. Like that you can remember. If you think you get so many easy tips. Next, the male sex accessory ducts includes four terms. What is the correct order of that terms? The male sex accessory ducts includes four terms, four terminology. What is the correct order of that terminology? Come on. So answer is D. Ready testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis was difference. So how can you remember? RV, EV, RV, EV, RV, EV, RV, EV. Like that you can remember. Otherwise, my name is Srinivas. So I'm using keywords using my name. My name is Srinivas. My close friends called Revasu. My close friends called Revasu. If I'm not listening, once again they repeat my name. Are Ippavasu. Ippa Srinivas, my name is. They called Revasu some friends Revasu. Chalo, let us go to field like that. If I am not listening, again they say Are Ippavas, Vasu, like that. You can remember Revas, Ippavas. Ippa Srinivas is my name. So like that you can remember. Match the following terms with their meanings. A B C D with 1 2 3 4. Putting easy tips is very easy, but you have to spend for some time and observe the information, and logically you have to create the tips. You have to think logically. Creativity, learning you have to use. You have to write the tips on the book itself or otherwise on separate notes. Separate notes is preferable. Before exam you can revision easily. Using this type of tips, you can easily find answers by seeing questions. The thought will immediately come, the techniques, codings, easy tips. Immediately you can answer. If you use by heart method, you don't get all answers. And also it is stressful. Mind, some stress will on your mind. So what is the use? Your health will be bad. So be healthy. So for enjoy you have to learn. So for that you use creative learning. I am telling that tips and techniques you use that, and while you reading other information also you prepare like that. You have to put easy tips with learning, creativity learning method, and enjoyingly you have to read. So what is the answer? So answer is B. A4 labia majora, fleshy folds of tissue. Labia majora. So here keyword is labi, maja, fleshy, fresh. So if suppose we went to movie. So after interval we go to lobby. Lobby means the outer space of the that hall, that film hall. Out of the film hall, some lobby is there. In that lobby, they will sell all cool drinks and food items like that. So we enter into lobby and take a fresh maja, and we drink and relax, and then go to the balance to see the balance half movie. Like that you can remember. If you take food items, the items they will pack in a paper by folding. So we take that, and by sitting also in the theater in the seats, by eating we can see the movie and enjoy. Like that we can remember. Next, endometrium. B1, inner granule layer. Endometrium is inner granule layer. End. End means inner. So outer, middle, inner. So endometrium. End means inner. Like that inner granule layer. Uterus has three layers. Uterus has three layers. Endometrium, myometrium, perimetrium. So endometrium is inner glandular layer. Myometrium M is middle. Middle thick layer smooth muscle. Myometrium is M means middle. Middle thick layer of smooth muscles. Automatically perimetrium is the outer layer. The external thin membranous layer. So external layer is thin. Middle layer is thick. Okay. First is thin. External. Commonly now skin is thin. External layer is thin. First layer is thin. Middle layer is thick. Some fat. inner grandier layer is endometrium. Like that you can remember. The correct order is outer layer, external layer is perometrium, middle is myometrium, inner is endometrium. Like that you can remember. Periodic abstinence is one such method in which the couples avoid and abstain from coitus from dash of the menstrual cycle when ovulation could be expected. From day 10th to 17th day, from day 9th to 16th day, from day 11th to 18th day, from day 12th to 18th day. For avoiding children, they maintain some distance, the couples to avoid in the periods, menstruation cycle, from this date to this date. What is the dates? So answer is A. From day 10 to 17. From day 10 to 17. J is 10 is J, 17 is Q. JQ. J means gents. Q means queens, ladies. Like that you can remember. J is gents. Pronunciation I am taking. J means gents. Q means queens, females. That both are couples. Avoid or abstain from coitus in that days. Like that you can remember. Match the following terms with their meanings, alleles, factors, test cross, monohybrid crosses, alleles, factors, we do like this to see other options. Alleles, factors, test cross, monohybrid crosses. So match the ABCD with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is this. Now call genes same transferred from parent to offspring. What is the answer? Answer is C, A2. So alleles. Alleles is a type of genes which code for a pair of contrasting traits that is different forms of same gene. Alleles alleles are genes which are code for a pair of contrasting traits that is different forms of same gene. Next, B4. What is B? Factors. Now call genes same transfer from parent to offspring. Next, factors. Factors is a gene now called genes. Earlier days, those are called Mendel factors, but now called genes. The same forms transformed by, from parent to offspring. Okay. Mendel proposed how many general principles? Two. The principles are one is law of dominance, second is law of segregation. So, first law is dominance, second law is segregation. So, this factor contains in law of dominance. The characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. The statement is belongs to law of dominance. Dominance means dome. I am taking dome. Factors means factory. This factors I am taking keyword factory. Factory like some factors in dome shape. Okay, they constructed the factory in dome shape, curve shape in top. Like that, law of dominance is the second law of Mendel. Like that also you can remember. Second law is law of segregation. Segregation means different. That is alleles contains in that second law. Segregation alleles. Alle, le. Two separate. Alle, less. Segregating. Two layers are there. So segregate, differentiate. Like that also you can remember. Next, test cross. Next, C3. Crossed the Mendel, crossed the tall plant from F2 with a dwarf plant. What had done Mendel? Mendel crossed the tall plant from F2 with a dwarf plant. That is called a test cross. Okay, crossed. Test cross. It's a day two. Test match is test cross. Test match 5 days. It is a day two dwarf plant. F2 with dwarf. Here I am taking day, here 2. Day 2. So the match is playing in day 2. Like that you can remember. Next is monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. What's the meaning of monohybrid cross? Between yellow and green seeded plants and between round and wrinkled seeded plants. Monohybrid means between yellow and green seeded plants and between round and wrinkled seeded plants. So some hybrid classes they experimented between some yellow and green plants and between round and wrinkled seed plants. That is called hybrid crosses. Mixing. Some seeds are mixing. So that is called hybrid crosses. Now also we are using some vegetable hybrid vegetables. Okay, like that. Next, match the following terms with their meanings: purines, nucleotides, pyrimidines, histones. Purines, what are they? Nucleotides, what are they? Pyrimidines, what are they? Histones, what are they? What is the answer? First is purines. Purines is A3. A3. Where is this? D. Purines. Guanine, adenine. So here keyword is guava, GUAVA. Guava. Guava is a fruit. That fruit is pure. They don't use chemicals for guava plant. For other fruits plants, they will use some urea chemicals. But for guava plant, the farmers are not using any chemicals because it grows naturally many fruits. So they don't use any chemicals. It is a pure fruit. Guava is a pure fruit. Like that, guanine, adenine you can remember. Next, you take pyrimidines. Purines, pyrimidines. Pyrimidines means cystosin, uracil, thymine. So you take first letters. Yeah, the easy tips is CUT cut. Pyrimidine. Pyrimidines I am taking pyramids. Pyramids. Pyramids how the shape is triangle. It looks like correctly cutting. The shape is correctly triangle shape and correctly cutting. Okay. So CUT cut. The shape is very cutting shape. Triangle shape. No curves are there. You can't see any curves. Correct line shape. Triangle shape. So pyrimidines cut like that. Next nucleotides. Nucleotides are three. Pentose sugar, phosphate group, nitrogenous base. Pentose sugar, phosphate group, nitrous base. Here keyword is night. In night, first show or second show. Evening, first show or second show, we went to a film, PH film, and take some in the interval some drinks. Drinks contain sugar. Okay, like that. We went family group to that movie. We drink some thumbs up. It contains sugar. Maja contains sugar. Any cool drink contains sugar. Like that. Night we went to film it, and in the interval we drink some cool drinks. It contains sugar. Like that you can remember. Automatically histones is a set of positively charged basic proteins. Histones means a set of positively charged basic proteins. Histones. Histones, proteins. The last pronunciation is you take keyword. Histones, T-O-N-C, tones, teens. Tones, teens. Like that, you can remember. Next, last question is Human Genome Project HGP was launched in the year. In which year HGP Human Genome Project launched? So what is the answer? Answer is 1990. So your keyword is in genome, Human Genome Project. In genome I am taking geno. Geno like that. Geo. So geo. Geophone. I'm taking geno. Geno means geo. I am cutting N. So Geo, its pronunciation as Geo. Geo means like I am taking like this. Geo. Geo phone. Reliance company's phone. Geo phone. Geo SIM. So the last two letters is IO. I is 9. O means 0. So like that, human genome project, geo. So GEO I'm taking JIO. So you have to remember that keyword geo, JIO. So the last two letters IO. What I means ninth letter O means I'm taking like 0. Both are same. O 0. So 90, 1990. So like that, you have to remember all answers using some easy tips and techniques that is called coding techniques. So this is biology second year some important questions. In later videos also I will upload some second year video too also I will upload. In next video we will meet in the chemistry second year video. We will meet in next video. If you like these easy tips, please like and subscribe to get daily uploaded videos. Or also in description, I'm giving the link, app link. You download the app. While you can open the app, you can see daily uploaded videos. Okay, please like and subscribe. If you like it, share to your friends or relatives and click the bell icon. Thank you one and all. जय लैनिज्म, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय हिंद.